Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Hey, in some CC Ghana. In some CC Ghana pa na MCC na many ababe boss story bi so. In some CC Ghana. Abrantie bi and I know say ne ho atwe ne ye. He's believed to be in the custody of a year. I think say the NIB, formerly known as BNI. First BNI, also CCIF NIB. Now, Abrantie is believed to be in the custody. No, is it either BNI or National Security? That's what is coming through. He's believed to be in the custody of one of these security agencies. Say National Security. Now, nini name no. Say the family so ababon. The Abrantie will be with 33 years. A friend is Simon Ayanga. Where nurse postgraduate nurse students KNUST what you say inti ensembi aba Emma Abrantie no and that me no say for about 5 or 6 days ni or for about some days the family esi wo mu ne National Security aba bepeke no the family are also saying say they are going on hunger strike in some bebre na ekoso na etie for the AC and say WhatsApp ya WhatsApp communication no say then group no you see a friend politics and governance wakokan wo group ni mu say Supreme Court ayo wo mo adwen say Jimensa wo mo ma won be testify and ye be shi Supreme Court no asem Abrantie ne kan otro wo group ni mu no ono de me no susu say WhatsApp de etie for eno nanam so e ma Abrantie aposifo ana ye beka say National Security for akwa no enye easy yakofa no and that me no ka say the family any I think say the lawyer claim said they've not seen him, they don't know his whereabouts. Say what tears you, say one tears you, they don't know, they can't see. Until the other no. That's the news coming through. That is the news coming through. Now I have an article from Kasapa FM. I'll read the article for you guys so that we see because family nenso ababonting kasa. Well, say the family of Simon Ayanga, the 33-year-old nurse who was arrested by operatives of the National Security for allegedly threatening to burn down the Supreme Court, is on a hunger strike. In the family, they are on a hunger strike. As the children of the embattled nurse are said to have refused intake of food since the arrest of their father. Simon's father, said to be battling a fractured leg, is poorly progressing in prognosis upon hearing the arrest of his son. Just a papa so you be a oyare. Now so a man yare no kra no aye serious kra or say yakwa kwakoche ne ba no. Abrantie nankasa nso ma aye wo ma adwen pan say eduane pan de wo mundi they are going on hunger strike. Na se wo mu wo a e wo say authorities na yede to omo so no yede beto omo so say na mo mu sunti because Abrantie na akoka nsem e wo WhatsApp enu hunti mo akwa no. O say Madam Eunice Adongo ono na Abrantie na wife of Simon Ayanga in an interview narrated how it is becoming difficult caring for the hunger strike children as she pleads on the state for clemency. Inti ne yere ne de will plead for clemency. That's ne yere no ono de will plead for clemency. Na obi be bisa say Melodies what is clemency? Say I've read the meaning of clemency before, but let's check from the internet. So say clemency, disposition to be merciful and especially to moderate the severity of punishment due to the judge ignore the prisoner's plea for clemency. An act or instance of leniency. Not to say ne yere no pacho say asemwa ni kunu na aka no ade bi ani kunu no on to me enye sa ade no WhatsApp na omo kasa keke and announce ama yakwachi ne kunu nti no osre omofa ne kunu ne bone enche no. I say the children have refused to eat. They keep asking to know the whereabouts of their father. Simon's father is currently battling ill health. I am pleading for clemency. I only spoke to him once since his arrest, where he disclosed to me that he's been held at the national headquarters of the National Security. Into the year na sema waka no wase one na kasa once per since time ayechi no na papa no eka say eye National Security omo headquarters ena yachi no ewo ho. Wase the wife wept uncontrollably as she narrated the ordeal. Mr. Ayamga, currently a postgraduate student at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, was arrested by state security officials after he was accused of making a statement tantamount to a contempt of court relative to the ongoing election petition. His lawyers say they have difficulties locating his whereabouts. His wife, who expressed an utmost surprise following his arrest, noted that he has no such character of threat. Reports indicate his aged mother is currently going through a psychological trauma following her son's arrest and detention. Executives of 10th branch of the KNUST in a press release apologized on behalf of the embattled nurse and called on the state to release their colleague, who is said to be losing academically as examination approaches. The whereabouts of Simon, as well as charges preferred on him, remains unclear. Nti nsem no nti asem ne tentini ni tietie mu nem se me read it no what ase WhatsApp group mu na branch na akwa se Jimensa se Supreme Court na yo mu adwen se wo mu ma Jimensa metasify there and they will bend the Supreme Court. And I'm so Emma yakwa akwachi no na eno na trese yese ya channel for contempt. That's what is coming through. Same way there. Charlie, same way serious. One say that's why I keep telling you people say they send me audio. Na almost any audio no na mambo a. Eya no mususu say melodies, but I tell you say contempt is very real. Contempt is very real. Eya na nkrofo bisa ene Ghana de adenti na ebimo ene say ene ebimo say here, let me tell you, you need to understand the way someone will be treated, you don't expect to be treated the same way, and that is nothing but the truth. That is what I want people to understand. Minim say obi ba kwa raise Kennedy Japan nsem a wokan ene nsem bebree, but you see you are not Kennedy Japan. You are not Kennedy Japan. So this is some minim abrante no so baby a wo kwa kasa na sebe we hu ana because akokan e wo WhatsApp sebe it's either say Ediana National Security for ni bi e was our platform ne so a wo mususu say asem na abrante ne ka no abrante no he poses threats and now he poses the potential of threat into no wo mo kwa akoche no and I say obi a wo group ni mu a we belong to a different political party who say abrante me pese me mafia no and an epako no e dey akọ headquarters ma abrante yakọ akoche no. It's either any of them, because I can tell you for a fact say wa wutie me kra bia sa asem wey wakọ akoka me sure say melodies me call melodies platform WhatsApp so a nkrofo akeka nsem a efa sa Supreme Court nsem wey hu, but it depends on the place I walk can nsem no. Please, mama what you say, it's not as if say if the ruling comes from the judges you can't speak about it. You can speak about it, but you don't make certain comments. Supreme Court, Masa, you don't make such comments. You don't. And that Miridi NDC legal practitioner will be our lawyer. He once he criticized indirectly, he criticized the ruling of the Supreme Court judges indirectly, but you can't hold him for it. As someone can say, NDC for I was say woman etching asem no assign every Supreme Court because the NDC is being endangered. And no chance over. As to whether endangerment no and endangered or say there in brofono, as to whether I am moi and every NDC for, as to whether Ghana for and the Buomo, you and the all kind a one interpretation of what they possible no, they were candidate. Said the NDC is being endangered. So they should withdraw from this case. Utie and I will read it as someone in Pakonika na. It gives you a lot of in a way it speaks a lot. Amount here say nipa we as someone work any. My main Congo can near me for contempt. But utie as someone work na e want here say said we are badwen ba what here. So please, we should know what we say. And then what's up? Obi akwa kan de ne yere say one spend away hu no. The lawyer so omu hu no. Say and what tiasi won tiasi no one knows. But we hope say what tiasi. Man try to comment box ni mo. Please, you should be very careful what we say.